Good afternoon, everyone. I will be the one to tackle about the competency framework for Southeast Asian School Head 2014. So this framework aims to provide a clear set of competencies for school heads in Southeast Asians to effectively lead educational institution. So in this competency framework, there are 5 domains and it has competencies. So the first one is the stakeholders engagement, which is the SE. The second one is the managerial leadership, which is the ML. And the third one is instructional leadership, which is the IL. And the fourth one, personal excellence, which is the PE. And the last one, strategic thinking and innovation, STI. So domain stakeholders, first one is promoting shared responsibility for school improvement. So 1.1, build trust and lead teams, communities for schools improvements. So these competencies focuses on the ability of schools heads to establish trust among teams members in the wider school community. So it involves creating positive and supportive environment that encourage collaboration, open communication, and shared decision making. So school heads should demonstrate leadership skills by guiding and motivating teams to work towards common goals for school improvement. 1.2, empower the community to work for enhancement of school performance. So this competency emphasizes the importance of involving the wider community in the school's effort to improve performance. School heads should actively engage with parents, local organizations, and other stakeholders to foster a sense of ownership and shared responsibility for the school's success. So this involves empowering community members by providing them with opportunity to contribute their expertise, resources, and support to enhance the overall performance of the school. So the second is managing education and alliances and network. So 2.1, communicate effectively with different stakeholders. So this competency focuses on the ability of school heads to effectively communicate with various stakeholders such as teachers, students, parents, and community members, and external organization. Effective communication involves listening actively, articulating ideas clearly, adapting communication styles to different audiences. So school heads should be able to convey information, so share goals and expectations, and actively engage stakeholders in the school's educational initiatives. So 2.2 is facilitate schools community partnerships and activities. So this competency emphasizes the school head's role in establishing and nurturing partnerships with the community. So school heads should actively seek opportunities to collaborate with external organizations, businesses, and community leaders to enhance the learning experiences and the resources available to students. So they should facilitate the development of programs, activities, and initiatives that involves community members and align with the school's goals. So third one is 2.3, promote consensus building. So this competency highlights the importance of promoting consensus building among stakeholders. So school heads should encourage open dialogue, active participation, and shared decision-making processes to reach agreements and consensus on important matters. So they should facilitate discussion, consider diverse perspective, and seek common ground to ensure that decisions align with the best interests of the school and its stakeholders. The last one is the 2.4, manage conflict and practice negotiation skills. So this competency focuses on the school head's ability to manage conflict and practice negotiation skills when dealing with various stakeholders. So conflicts may arise due to differing opinions, expectations, are resource allocation. So school heads should employ effective conflict resolution strategies such as active listening, empathy, and mediation to address conflict in a constructive and fair manner. So negotiation skills are also important in reaching mutually beneficial agreement and resolving dispute. 3. Sustaining collaborative relative relationships with stakeholders. So 3.1 support community-based programs and projects. So this competency highlights the school has role in supporting promoting community-based programs and projects. So it involves actively seeking opportunities to collaborate with the community to develop initiatives that benefit both the school and the wider community. By supporting such programs and projects, school heads can strengthen relationships, enhance the school reputation, and create meaningful learning experiences. 3.2 Communicate school performance report to stakeholders. So this competency focuses on the school head's responsibility to effectively communicate the school's performance to stakeholders. So school heads should provide regular updates, reports, and feedback on the school's achievements, challenges, and progress toward its goal. By maintaining transparent and open lines of communication, school heads can keep stakeholders informed and engaged in the school's development and improvement efforts. So, managerial leadership, managing school resources and system. So, 1.1 Manage financial resources. So, this competency focuses on the school head's ability to effectively manage financial resources allocated to the school. So, it involves budget planning, monitoring expenditures, and making informed financial decisions to ensure the optimal use of available resources. School heads should prioritize spending, seek additional funding opportunities, and adhere to financial regulation and policies. 1.2 Manage learning environment. So this competency highlights the school head's responsibility for creating and maintaining a conducive learning environment. So it involves overseeing the physical infrastructure, resources, and facilities of the school. School heads should ensure that the learning environment supports student engagement, so safety and well-being. So this includes managing classroom spaces, technology resources, libraries, and other learning materials. 1.3 Manage system and procedures. So this competency focuses on the school head's abilities to establish and manage efficient system and procedures within the school. So it involves developing and implementing process for various administrative tasks, so such as enrollment, attendance, attendance, scheduling, recording keeping, and assessment. So school heads should ensure that systems are in place to streamline operations, promote accountability, and comply with relevant policies and regulation. Managerial leadership, managing staff performance. 2.1 Manage school personnel requirements. This competency involved overseeing the staffing needs of the school, which includes activities such as recruitment, selection, and placement of staff members. So it also includes managing staff assignment and ensuring that the right personnel are in place to meet the school's objectives. 2.2 Support professional development of staff. So this competency focuses on providing opportunities for the professional growth and development of the school staff. So it involves identifying training needs, organizing professional development programs, and supporting staff members in acquiring new skills and knowledge. So this helps to enhance their effectiveness in their roles and contributes to the overall improvement of the school. 2.3 Recognize staff performance. So this competency emphasizes the importance of acknowledging and appreciating the efforts and achievements of the school staff. So it involves recognizing and rewarding staff members for their contribution to the school's success. So this can be done through various means such as verbal appreciation, certificates, awards, or other form of recognition that motivates and inspires the staff to continue performing at their best. So managerial leadership, managing sustainable school programs and projects. So 3.1 Demonstrate program and project management. So this competency focuses on the ability to effectively manage and oversee school programs and projects. So it involves skills such as planning, organizing, implementing, and evaluating programs and projects to ensure their successful execution. So this includes setting clear goals, developing timelines, allocating resources, and monitoring progress to achieve desired outcomes. So 3.2 promotes school-based programs and projects that support sustainable development. So this competency highlights the importance of promoting programs and projects within the schools that contribute to sustainable development. So it involves identifying and implementing initiatives that align with environmental, social, and economic sustainability principles. So this may include initiatives related to energy conservation, waste management, community engagement, environmental education, and the other areas that promote sustainability. So, instructional leadership. Leading curriculum implementation and improvement. So 1.1 Manage curriculum implementation. So this competency involves overseeing and guiding the implementation of the curriculum to ensure it aligns with educational objectives and meets the needs of students. 1.2 Promote sensitivity to diversity and differentiated instruction. So this competency emphasizes the importance of recognizing and addressing the diverse needs of students. So it involves incorporating differentiated instructional strategies to cater different learning styles, abilities, and backgrounds. So instructional leadership, creating a learner-centered environment. 2.1 Promote learner-centered activities. So this competency focuses on designing and implementing educational activities that prioritize the active engagement of students. So it encourages student-centered learning approaches that empower students to take ownership of their learnings. 2.2 Promote a healthy, safe and inclusive learning environment. So this competency emphasizes the school head's role in ensuring a positive and inclusive learning environment. So it involves creating a space where students feel physically and emotionally safe, free from discrimination, and where their diverse needs are met. 2.3 Promotes a culture of peace and respect for diversity. So this competency highlights the importance of nurturing a culture of peace, respect, and appreciation for diversity within the school. So it involves fostering an environment where students learn to value and respect each other's differences. So instructional leadership, supervising and evaluating teachers' performance. 3.1 Apply appropriate models for supervision and evaluation. So this competency highlights the importance of using appropriate models for supervising and evaluating teachers' performance. School heads should be knowledgeable about different models of supervision and evaluation and apply them effectively. So this may include conducting classroom observation, analyzing students' work, and using feedback mechanism to assess and improve teaching practices. 3.2 Nurture teachers leaders. So this competency emphasizes the role of the school head in nurturing teachers leaders. So school heads should identify and support teachers who show leadership potential. So providing them with opportunities for growth, professionally development, and additional responsibilities. So by nurturing teachers, lead school heads can create a culture of shared leaderships, collaboration, and continuous improvement within the school. Instructional leadership, delivering planned learning outcomes. 4.1 Promote team-based approaches to instructional leadership. So this competency highlights the importance of collaborative approaches to instructional leadership. So school heads should promote teamwork and foster a culture of shared responsibility among teachers. By encouraging collaboration and effective communication among teachers, school heads can ensure that instructional strategies are aligned, resources are shared, and the learning experience is cohesive and effective. 4.2 Manage assessment to improve teaching and learning. So this competency emphasizes the school head's role in managing assessments to enhance teaching and learning. So it involves implementing effective assessment practices, analyzing assessment data, and using it to inform instructional decision. School heads should ensure that assessments are aligned with learning outcomes, provide meaningful feedback to teachers, and contribute to continuous improvement in teaching and learning.